A little bit.
All right.
Hold on to me.
I got you.
I can't see.
Oh, you're too big. Go around.
I want to get back about it.
It's not gonna work well this climatic stuff. 3, 2, nothing.
Better hurry, I'm running out of space.
You know?
All right. Ready?
No problem.
Up there. 3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ.
That goes off inside of a car.
There's a dead deer.
Now.
All the smoke.
See all the smoke? What's all the smoke?
Talcum powder.
Talcum powder, cornstarch.
Lubricant.
People will
Prove
call
it.
and say, you know, the car's on fire. Well, obviously, it kind of looks like it's on fire, right?
Ouch! It got me in my eye.
This isn't real hot, but it does stink.